Hey everyone, this is my 2011 Firework Stash. So here we go. Got little sparkler boxes here for the kids, and smoke balls, sky bombs, killer bees, cascades and stuff. Got 2 bricks of cascades, and we got jumbo cascades. Then we have Roman candles, magnolias, more Roman candles, more magnolias, and the exalted pack. And we have more Roman candles, Roman candles, more sky bombs. Got my little homemade, so all fused together. And here's all the big stuff. There we go. Bad boy fireworks. It's pretty good. And up there. All up. And that's my 2011 Guy Fawkes Stash. Sweet. Peace out.